This is called an intransitive verb because the energy just stops here.
Yeah.
Okay? A transitive verb is where the energy is transferred onto direct object, which is the purpose of doing. I could have the cat rights like that, couldn't I? That would be funny, wouldn't it? Rights, in this case, is a transitive verb because it goes all the way across. However, I can change its meaning. Watch that. What's happened? The cat writes. It means something slightly different. Can you do the video? Can you do that, please? Can you do the cat? And I'd like you to write. Okay, you can handle it.
Don't have to suppose.
Why don't you stop? Because an intransitive verb, an intransitive verb, it doesn't stop. The cat writes. It continues. But if we had this section in here, what do we call this? You can stop now. What do we call it when we have this other section over here? Transitive. Yeah. Can you do this now? The cat writes a letter. Or we'll make it Sam because it's a little bit more relevant.
Yeah,
Let's go. And so you're writing the beginning part of the letter now, you're writing the middle part of the letter now, and now you're signing off. And it's finished. Right? A transitive verb will finish because the energy has been transferred to the letter. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Cool, eh?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Park your peoples on this little mama here, which is exactly what I've just created.
Nah.
Got it?
We get it.
So we did it with the material first. She can't bother with the material. She's just going to go rice, sand, easy. But we started off with that experience to build it up and to show also that it has two sections. That we have a, what's this part called? So the subject, and what's all the rest called? Predicate.
Predicate.
Yeah, subject and predicate.
Predicate.
Yes.
And then that's the, so when you come up to the object, that's the transitive.
Yeah.
When you stop, that's the
Transitive, because it gets only that far. It doesn't go anywhere.
Okay.
The energy keeps on going, doesn't end in one place.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Easy. Now you all know what a transitive and intransitive verbs are. Nice. This is our chart number 1. You'll understand it immediately. What will go on the red circle? The verb. What goes on the subject circle? The answer to the question, who is it that? Or what is it that? In our case, who is it that, Sam? Or what is it that, the cat? Yeah. What is it that does the verb?
Yep.
Cool? Chart 1. Done. Chart 2, which gives you a little bit of the language that you need. What is the name of the thing doing? It is called the...
Subject.
What is the rest all called?
Predicate.
Including the verb and the direct object if there is one. Okay. What is the name of the doing word?
Verb.
Yep. And what is the name of the thing that the energy ends up on?
The direct object.
The direct object. What is this whole thing called? Now you want
the transitive.
This one answers the question whom or what. It is the object. What happened to it? This is the one that does all the work. This is what the work is, and this is what the work is done to.
Yeah.
Yes? Multiplier, multiplicand, by the way, just so you know on that. All right. Again, chart 3, very similar. They do get a lot more complicated, by the way. We're getting to that. I'm just going to do it slowly. Subject, verb, direct object. JJ, what's a direct object?
It's the thing that's
Like God? God. Help her out, Katie.
So
Yeah.
the object is, what is the noun that the energy gets transferred to?
Thank you. Yes, and we see that in the black circles around us. Cool. All good? All right, next person can come up.
Can I go tag them?
Yeah. Whomsoever you choose. Whomsoever, because you know that they're going to be, you're going to do the action, and it's going to on to them, so that they are the object. You're the subject, and you can tag whomsoever you choose.
Is it alright to remember that by saying